Hi everyone, Amy Love here, and I had the day off from work. It is a proper snow day here in Maine, and I wish I could just show you the snow. The window's right here, and it is just the beautiful flakes that I love. It's gorgeous. But I had a snow day, yay! So that meant some crafting time. And yesterday I watched a video by Embellish the Story, and she did some snippet index cards, and I was like so inspired. So thank you so much for sharing. And I will put the link to her video below that inspired this little crafting frenzy I've had this morning. So she did index cards, and then it just for some reason made me want to do envelopes. So that's what I did. I did a bunch of snippet envelopes because playing with little lace snippets and gluing them onto things and doing a collage is got to be one of my favorite things to do. So I thoroughly enjoyed myself. So here's an envelope that I did. Now on all these envelopes that I ended up doing, I haven't put the finishing touch on them because I want to wait to see which project they're going in before I do that. Like I might want to put a sentiment or some rhinestones or whatever it is. So they're just kind of waiting for that finishing touch because I don't know how I'm going to use them yet. So this one, I decided I wanted to also do a card to fit inside. So of course I had to keep that minimal. And I'm thinking I might be able to put like a sentiment right here, but it'd be a nice card or somewhere to journal. So I kept that as simple as I could so that it would fit in the envelope. And I do love the way that that turned out. And I put washi here, but like washi is made to come up, so that wasn't the brightest idea I've had. So I'm probably going to end up putting music paper there because this will just slip into something. So I wanted a little decoration on the back, and I probably will put like a sentiment here too, is what I'm thinking. I don't know, we'll see. But I just think that is gorgeous, and it was so fun to put together. So then I had like a CD case. So this is what that looks like. Obviously, I left this spot so I could put something later. Probably a flower is what I'm thinking, but we'll see. It depends on what I'm using it for. But I had so many beautiful bits that I got to use up on this. I just think it is gorgeous. I love the way it turned out. So on the back, I'm thinking that this guy is going to probably be attached to a page, so this will just flip open. So I did want to decorate the back, so I put a lace in the background, and I made some snippet strips that I used on a bunch of these envelopes because these snippet strips, I love putting them on things, and I will just sit at the sewing machine and make long strips of snippets and then cut them up and use them, and I think it's just gorgeous. So there is that one. And then I created this one, which might be a little much, but how pretty is it? So I got into my beaded appliques and just really had a good time with that. Look at all the layers. It's so pretty. And on the back, this is what it looks like. I just think that's gorgeous too. And I did line the inside with this embossed paper that I got on Etsy. I just think it's gorgeous. So pretty. I love how this turned out. And then I created this guy. I have these long envelopes. I don't know where the stack is, and they're really pretty and vintage, but then I covered it all up because, you know, that's basically how I do the things. And this has some snippet strip here and here. This little pink like frame applique I've had in my stash forever, and I decided I would use it, and I don't know yet what's going to go in here, but something cute. Depends on what project. And I had just a snippet of this pink bead trim that I'm sure I got at Angel Dream Crafts at some point, and I love it. So I used the very last bit of it on there, and then I popped on a couple little snippets of applique flowers here and there. Now on the back, I just put this piece of lace because I'm thinking this will go over a page and then flip up. So I might put like a journaling spot here. I haven't decided. I did cover the inside with this and the outside with this just so it would be pretty. But I left that just one lace panel because I don't know what I want to do with that yet. But I do have a video, coming up right after I'm done sharing this, where I show you how I created this. But it's basically just me collaging the bits on. So I'm just going to play music through it because there's nothing for me to really say to tell you how to do it. Everybody collages in their own way, and as long as you're enjoying the process, you're doing it right. So if you'd like to see that, that is coming up. But I would love it if you would leave me a comment and let me know what you think. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you do want to see like more of a talk through process, over on Embellish the Story, the video that inspired me, she does talk through the thing. So be sure you go check that out. And thank you, everybody. See you on the next one.